Morning adventures every day. Ryan here. So I'm taking the Excursion over to my buddy's house. We're gonna be doing some of the body mounts. So interior, I got the driver's seat in, passenger seat, center console in, but the back is still out. Got my high lift, pieces of wood, but you know the carpet's still loosely left. Here's the body mounts right here. So I'm actually very excited to get these suckers in. I mean, they're nice. I mean, they're really good quality. So I'm hoping that this will change the ride quality, quiet it down, and overall be worth the investment I've made. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, me and Matt are getting ready. Body mount time. Yay! All right, we got the bumper off. First mount, if you can see it, is way up in there. But Matt's taking off this hook so he can get in there. Still don't know how I'm gonna fit my fat fingers in there. Oh, I guess I can. Let's see, can you see it? I don't know, that's a way better view. So we're gonna take that out. You can see the bushing right there is cracked. We're replacing it. And this is what's going on in front. So, that's quite a bit of change. I don't know how to do this. All right, well, we can took the steps off to learn how to lift the body. Don't do that. So if you're doing this at home, be very safe. All right, guys, we got it up. Got it up. So next step, if you can see up there, is to get those new mounts in. All right, got the front one in. Got the one under the passenger side. So we got this one. The one right here by the tank, if you can see it, is a pain in the butt. You have to go behind the frame into the box area by the tank, and it's not easy. And right now, we're messing with this one, and it's not easy. But the mounts are pretty good. I like them so far. So here's the one we're still messing with. We got one bolt in there, up on its side. This side's next. But here's the old ones. And they don't look, I mean, the bottoms are dried out. But I was told the tops, they're all rusted. And you can tell the size difference. They were a little compressed. Well, me and Matt noticed. Look at the gap now. This shows you how bad those body mounts are. This is just crazy. But we got one side down. Now we're gonna just start putting bolts in, tighten them up a little bit so we can do the other side. Stay tuned. It's been a few months since we did the body mounts, and I'll say it has made the truck ride so much quieter. Don't hear any popping or creaking of the body anymore. I'm a really big fan of the S&B body mounts. So I would recommend doing it. So you're out driving it around, getting it to use it a little bit. Haven't really taken it out off-roading yet. Just taken it on the freeway a couple times, towed it. But it seems to be holding pretty well. The wandering has gotten a lot better. When I hit a bump too, it used to shake and jiggle all over the place. It seems pretty sturdy now. I'm not worried about it being a death trap to drive anymore. So very excited. Future plans now is I'm working on getting the roof done. Insert a quick clip of the roof so you can see that. It's pretty bad. I was thinking about rhino lining it white, but I need to get the roof lights taken off because I don't like them. I like a smooth looking roof because I want to put a rack on the top to put stuff down on it. I want to start using this as a camping truck